Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a beginner's guide to Rork AI. In order to do so, here we are at Rork.com, and we are going to just do a general overview here to see what Rork is all about. So you can build any mobile app fast. Rork builds complete cross-platform mobile apps using AI and React Native. And you can see here on the bottom that we have a variety of suggestions. If you don't know where to start, you can make a visual novel game. You can make an Airbnb style app. You can make an Instagram style app. You can make a meditation timer, create a habit tracker, build a calorie tracker, create a to-do list, design a weather dashboard, design a fitness tracker. So there is so much that you can do with Rork. But let's go ahead and try something out here. I've gone ahead and put in an app with daily workout suggestions, providing a variety of options to keep users engaged. So we're going to see how well Rork handles that. So here on the right hand side, we can go ahead and click send. So once you have put in your suggestion, just click on that. And we do need to sign in, so let's go ahead and do that here real quick. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we're ready to go. Hit send on that again. And here we go. So Rork is now thinking, and you do see here, in order to test on your phone, you are going to want to install the Expo Go app. To test on your device, you can scan the QR code with your phone camera, install Expo Go from the App Store, and click Done, and you can see how this is going to work out on your device. But we can also see here how that's going to look, and you can see here on the left-hand side that Rork has begun providing some options here. So Rork is saying, let's create a beautiful workout app with daily suggestions. I'll design a clean, modern UI with a light theme and pastel accents that draws inspiration from iOS and fitness apps like Nike Training Club. Key features to include: home screen with daily workout suggestions, workout details screen, workout categories, user profile, workout completion tracking. For the color scheme, light theme with clean whites, primary colors. So we got our color schemes here. For the data structure, create workout types, create workout difficulty levels, create workout duration options, create a mock database of workouts. Let's plan the file structure. And here you can see that it is creating these different sections here. And so it's going to take a little bit of time to go through this, but we can already see just by our simple suggestion that Rork really goes above and beyond to provide different suggestions. And then here where it says describe the mobile app you want to build, you can specify to Rork if there's anything that Rork does that you say, oh, I'm not sure that that's really what I'm looking for, then you can put that in there. Now, be aware that you do get 5 free messages with the free version, and you can upgrade this to have more control over the app results. But if you're doing something fairly simple like we're doing here, then you should see here in a moment what Rork is capable of. And I can tell you from experience, having spent a little bit of time with Rork, is I am very impressed with it. I wouldn't recommend necessarily that you do something too complex. It's a good thing to play around with if you have a very straightforward idea. So that's kind of what I went for here. A daily workout planner, easy, simple to create. If you have something a little bit more advanced in mind, then you might want to consider other options, or at the very least, I would say that you're probably going to need to upgrade and make sure that you have more messages that you can use on a daily basis in order to really create the app you're looking for. Another suggestion that I might have in order to really get something that is fully thought out is plan your app on a different chatbot. Use something like ChatGPT or Grok or DeepSeek, whatever it is that you prefer, and plan out your app beforehand. So that way, when you enter in the information to Rork, it has a clear idea of what it is that you're looking for. So this is just kind of a little pro tip that you can take advantage of. So if you see here, actually, you can see Code Inspector found potential issues, and it says here that we can fix now. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can see, please fix the following errors. So we're going to go ahead and send on that. So now that's actually used one of our free messages for the day. So Rork might have some issues, but it will tell you what those issues are, and you can use your messages in order to refine your app idea. Now, if you come up with multiple errors, then you might not have enough free messages in order to complete what you're doing, but then you could probably come back the day after in order to continue refining. But if you're looking to hunker down for a while with Rork, then you might need again to upgrade. We'll go ahead and let this continue to think, and we do have here, it says 2 errors bundling failed. So let's try sending this to AI. Now, I don't know if this was the error from before or if this is another error, but it seems as though we've got a couple of places that this might be working out. But let's go ahead and just let Rork work here. So it seems as though that is being fixed. Okay, so that notification is gone now. So there you go. And we still see the Code Inspector is running. Code Inspector found potential issues. Okay, so we got some more issues that we need to resolve. So we're going to go ahead and click Fix Now. And then you can see here that's back in our chat box. So we're going to go ahead and hit send on that. So now Rork is thinking. So now we've got 3 free messages left today. So hopefully this gets sorted out with our free messages that we have left. And we'll just continue to let Rork sort things out. Okay, so looks like we ran out of messages as we were going through Rork. Now, I have been able to get through before, but it seems like this time it just needed a little bit more in order to get through. So we would have to come back, or we would have to upgrade our subscription. So this is a good opportunity here to show you what the subscription tiers are like with Rork. We've got the Junior for $20 a month. That gives you 100 messages monthly. We've got Middle for $50 a month. That gives us 250 messages monthly. And we've got Senior for 100, and that gives us 500. And we've got Scale for 200 a month. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with Rork. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get through to be able to see the results here, but let's go ahead and just back out. And we can see here it took about 10 minutes or so just to get to this point. And from here, if we want to continue, we are going to need some more messages. Now, I can tell you that I have been able to get through before, and I was impressed with the results. But unfortunately, this time, it seems that what we were asking was just a little bit too much for Rork to get through with our free messages for the day. But again, we can come back tomorrow if we want, and we can continue where we left off. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.